Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This driver almost got sideswiped by a fleeing pickup truck driver who was being chased by several police cars, motorbikes and a helicopter. Red light runner receives instant karma. This driver was involved in road rage, which had terrible outcome. This is why it's important to stay away from road raging drivers.
Wait, what the hell? What the heck is? What the? Really? From Washington? What the hell are you doing?
Mercedes driver first brake checks trucker, then he flips him off. Take a look.
Yeah, we kill it over there.
Oh! Fast reflexes saved oncoming driver from getting T-boned. Police officers saw everything but didn't want to go after driver who pulled out.
Okay? I'd like to see you try, sweetheart. You're on dash cam, so you might want to just behave yourself.
Okay. You're on camera, just so you know.
Look for the video on Facebook. I'll be posting that on Facebook.
Yep.
Somebody get your damn.
Usually 2 million hours.
Again, fast reflexes of dashcam driver saved both drivers from serious accident. Driver on the left was distracted by his phone.
What the? Damn.
guys noticed that driver behind was speeding up and deliberately using high beams to blind them. After they pulled over to let the driver pass, they were yelled at. Take a look.
What are you doing? What's your problem, boy?
Why are you hitting your fucking brakes like that?
I'm trying to let you go by me. Go ahead.
Fucking scumbag.
Fucking drunk, eh? Probably.
How could it be older?
My name is J. My vote is
Are they
stop.
crazy?
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.